Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to strike through on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a conversation and to make a strike through, first of all, so press shift key and tap on tilde key 2 times and then write your text here. Again press shift and double click on tilde key, and then here we can see the text has been strike through. So this is how we can strike through on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.